What is a misfire? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, when your check engine light's on and you have a P03 series code, so like a 301, 302, 306, that's a misfire code. And the 301 would be cylinder 1, 306 would be number 6, etc. So, 3 things we have to have. One is that spark plug has to fire. So ignition coils, spark plugs, things like that. Number 2 is we have to have fuel. So the fuel pump has to pump pressure, the injector has to squirt fuel into the cylinder. The 3rd thing we have to have is that compression. So you could need anything from a cylinder head to a major engine problem to a simple spark plug to an injector or even a vacuum leak. So I hope this has helped you understand a little bit more about what a misfire is and what those P03 ... codes are. And until next time, safe travels and blessings.